Hello, this is Friday. Welcome to our YouTube channel. From now on, we're going to try out some arts and crafts projects every week. And in this video, we're going to do some watercolor painting. In the first few pages, you can find some guidelines on how to paint. And there are plenty of different designs for you to draw. So which one should we draw today? Oh, I like this one. So in our website, you can find this whole DIY kit, along with other projects such as making your own neon sign and such. So definitely go check out. And this is the one we're using today. So it has 3 brushes with different sizes. And we also got a mini palette. It is very cute. And it has 9 different colors. Alright. This bottle I bought from IKEA, by the way. And it's not included in the DIY kit, unfortunately. So let's get started. You dip some water and paint. And I'm using red here because why not? I don't even know what plant this is, but we'll find out. I really like this color, by the way. You know, these days you're just stressed, you're always at home, you don't know what to do. And this is really soothing. It relieves so much of your stress. And you don't have to be good at this, you know? Like, you're not trying to show this to anybody. You're just doing your thing, enjoying this moment. So I'm now using green to paint the leaves. I'm definitely not a professional. I'm a total beginner. I don't go to an art school or anything. This is my first time, but it's super easy. And although the instructions in this book is in Korean, you can find the full details in English on our website. So now I'm mixing the green and red to make brown. I'm gonna paint the branches. And you know what? I'm just gonna use the same color for the frame as well. Okay. I'm changing the brush. Now I'm going with the second layer. I'm mixing red and a little bit of purple to make it slightly darker. So that we have a sort of, I don't know, like a gradient. Okay, so we're done with the cherries or whatever, and going with the darker color of the leaves by mixing green and a little bit of blue. I mean, is this satisfying enough to watch? Just leave us a comment, let us know how to improve. This is just our first video. Also, excuse my head just peeping in. we're done with the main picture and we're going with the details of the frame and the letters. Nice! We're done. I'm trying to wave at you guys, but failing miserably. Alright. Okay, there we go. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.